Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet C10. Beautiful truck, guys. I bought this from a buddy of mine out of Tennessee. It's got 594 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Really just a nicely done truck, guys. You can see it's finished in a bright red. It's got gorgeous leather and ostrich interior. Great running 33 little stroker motor in it. And the thing that I thought was super cool, it's got a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission in it. It's got aftermarket air, 20-inch Ridler wheels all the way around it. Just a good looking truck, guys. Really nicely done. Just pretty truck. You see it's got the cowl hood on it. Truck sits good. You can see it's got new chrome and stainless. It's got the LED lights in it all the way around it, actually. New bumpers. And a little touch-up mark there on the corner there. Nice truck though. Glass is nice. Again, it's got air. I love the interior in this truck. And again, I thought it was super cool, that 4-speed, and it's something you just don't see. It's got the wood bed in it. Now it's got two, you're gonna see it's got 2 gas fillers in it. This one's, they change a tank, so this one's just a dummy. That's actually the one you'd use to fill it. They change a tank in it, so they move the spot that where you actually fill it. You see a little touch-up mark there on the truck. Truck's nice and flat down the sides. And the bottom, guys, is as nice as the top. These short box C10s, they've always been hot, but man, are they hot right now. Again, front disc brakes. You can see through the wheels there. See those nice ceramic headers in there. Again, this is a 33 cubic inch stroker motor. You see the bow tie aluminum intake. Chrome, it's got the chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner. It's got, again, ceramic headers on it, HEI distributor, power steering, power disc brakes, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. Really detailed up nice underneath the hood. That's a Southern, I think it's Southern air unit on it, aftermarket heat and AC. Nice truck, man. All billet trim. It's got billet handles, billet pedals. And you can see they got a little sloppy with the what do you call it there? The seal for the door. I love this interior, man. Billet steering wheel. It's got an aftermarket dash with tacking gauges. Aftermarket sound system. Hurst shifter. It's got dual exhaust. It's 12-bolt rear end. I believe it's a 355 rear gear. Nice wood bed. Nicely done truck, guys. Yeah, shut that for me, Jay. Sorry. Sorry, doing it with one hand. Look at this thing underneath. New fuel tank. And that truck is nice. And you can see when they just put the trim on there, they got a little glue. A little happy with the glue. Remote for the radio. I have Jay fired up. Door handles are new. Got a nice little cam to it. They just kick your AC on, it does work. You might have to click it, Jay. I don't think I got it all the way down, Jay. $594 miles on your odometer. Fuel gauge works. Tack works. All your gauges are working in there. Parking brake does work. Parking brake works, guys. And all LED lights. Backup lights work. Truck hits the ground good. There you go. Radio drive J9 nuts. Blower motor works. Get that taxi. Tax functional. Wipers work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.